Namaskar and bonjour. Welcome to another episode on Razdan's Holidays. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Dhruv Razdan and I work in the travel industry. And through YouTube, I am trying to promote destinations that I visit myself so you can see them yourself and decide if you think you should also come here. Anyway, right now we are doing this new series which I'm going to be naming Rendezvous Rajasthan. So I'll be visiting places across Rajasthan they are and Rajasthan is a magnificent place. I've done I think quite a bit of Rajasthan, but still I would say a lot more to go. So yeah, looking forward to this tour. And currently I am in this place called Mandava, which is about 3 hours from Jaipur and about you could say 5 hours from Delhi. And historically, it is an important town, also because it comes in the Shekhawati region, and there are some really nice havelis that you can find here. You know, walking through the old city is always a charm. So yeah, definitely recommend this place. Secondly, I'm in this hotel called Matsya Villas, and I will be doing a hotel show around also. I've gotten the feedback that that you should show the place where you're staying as well. So I'm going to try incorporating that as well in my future videos as well. Anyway, let's go and explore Mandava. So, like I mentioned, I'm in Mandava right now, and I will be going to the city. We'll be doing a small walk inside the city, but I am not alone. I'm with a group of people, basically family, and I want them to say hi to everyone. Okay, we look all set. Let's go. Let's do this. So we are going to have a Mandava local tour. So we'll be visiting the inside lanes of Mandava, and with me is Mr. Ritesh Pratap Singh over here. He basically helps handle our office in Mandava, and we have been working with his family for the last 25-30 years now, almost.
Yes,
Long
almost,
time.
yes.
So he's also second generation in the family. I'm the third generation, and he's a good friend also. So I always enjoy his company, and I'm sure he will show like many parts of like insides of Mandava, and he has always done a really great job at that. And this is Mr. Mahendra Singh ji.
Namaste.
He's a French guide. Bonjour.
Bonjour, ça va?
Ça va et toi?
Très bien.
Okay, great, perfect. So he's done his course in guiding, and he's also a language guide. So he knows French, and he works with our French clients, and it's been really great. So thank you for doing this. And
Keep visiting Mandava.
of
and
course,
visiting in
of
Mandava.
course, and of course, if you guys are planning to come to Mandava, great people to get in touch with, and always perfect.
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
एकदम बढ़ा तो उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने बिजनेस पर्पज के हिसाब से इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया होटल में, रेस्टोरेंट में, कैफ़े में। ठीक है, तो मंडावा ये 1800 शताब्दी का बसा हुआ है।
हाँ जी।
तो 18 शताब्दी के अंदर यहाँ पे लगभग पूरी पॉपुलेशन आ गई थी। और आपने सुना होगा 1750 के अंदर सिल्क रूट आया था चाइना से। तो सिल्क रूट जैसे निकला था तो यहाँ पे आया था, यहाँ से होते होते बीकानेर गया, जैसलमेर, जोधपुर, पुष्कर, आगरा, कलकत्ता। ऐसे होते कलकत्ता के बाद उन्होंने जहाज़ से अपनी ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्ट की। तो पहले यहाँ पे चलती थी जैसे घोड़े हैं, ऊँट है, हाथियों से करके, पहले ट्रांसपोर्टेशन था नहीं, गाड़ियाँ थी नहीं। ठीक है, तो उस टाइम क्या हुआ, यहाँ के बनियों ने उसमें सिल्क रूट में अच्छा पैसा कमाया। पैसा कमाने के बाद उन्होंने अपने यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ बना दी अपने घर के पर्पज के लिए।
That was some folk music from here, and there's a wedding taking place, and I just thought it would be nice to capture some sounds of that.
डालेंगे दूध भी डालना इंजेक्शन भी।
यहाँ पे मंडावा में टूरिज्म तो आया ही आया, उसके साथ यहाँ पे बॉलीवुड सेक्टर भी बहुत आ गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मंडावा में बहुत सारे शूटिंग भी होने लगे। अभी नहीं भी
Mandava's highlight are its Havelis. These Havelis are not only massive but also extravagantly decorated with fresco paintings which can be seen on this house. These frescoes always tell a story, especially relevant to the contemporary of those times. You can usually find animals denoting some meaning. Example, elephants symbolize strength, or a portrait of the king and queen, or the gods the family worships. These Havelis could easily accommodate more than 50 people depending on the size of the family.
ये साइन बोर्ड हुआ करता था, राजा जी बनाए हुए संपत्ति है ये लोग आप देख रहे हो, ये साइन होता रॉयल फैमिली का। अच्छा लगा था कि ये उन्होंने इसको बनाया था।
इधर कोई शूटिंग हुई है क्या?
बहुत शूटिंग्स हुई है।
नहीं इसमें
कितना डीप है ये, तो मेरे को एंड नहीं दिखा इसका।
आइडिया आप एक पत्थर फेंकोगे ना सर, 50 सेकंड लगेंगे नीचे जाने में।
क्या आवाज आएगी?
ओ भाई,
बड़ा सा पत्थर देख लो, फेंक रहा है। रुको रुको, वीडियो निकाल रहे हैं।
1 2 1 2 3। ओ भाई,
क्या हो गया?
रुको रुको, अब फिर से लो। So this is the location where the shooting of movie Mimmi was done. To just have a look at the movie, you can watch it on Netflix. ये मेन लग रही है।
ये देखिए, ये मोर है।
हाँ,
देखो ये पूरा हाथ की कढ़ाई भी है इसमें।
one of the most significant Havelis in Mandava is the one here belonging to the Jhunjhunwala family. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a billionaire investor famously known as the Warren Buffett of India. There is also a sonar or golden room in his Haveli, which we shall see in a bit. To my surprise though, this was the only Haveli which had an entrance ticket. The billionaires definitely know how to tap all forms of revenue. golden color that you see on the walls is actually real gold. This was the most important room for the Haveli, with all the major assets including jewels, cash and accounting books kept here. Only the head of the family would have access to this room, which would be the man of the house. Not even the wife would have any access. My tour of the old town would have been incomplete without seeing the local market and the cuisine that belongs to the region. Here we find some of the local sweets and fried masala chickpeas. It was absolutely amazing. And here are the three very popular vegetables from Shekhawati in Rajasthan: gatta curry, kher sangri and curry with some maize breads.
गट्टा होता है बेसन का ना, वो ऐसे आटा गूंथते हैं, फिर उसको बॉईल करते हैं, फिर उसको कढ़ी में डालते हैं. And this brings us to the end of the episode. Thank you for following me on this journey. See you in the next one.